Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best robotic lawn mower in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Gurden 15202-41 SILENO Minimo Automatic Robotic Lawn Mower with Bluetooth app and boundary wire. One of the quietest in its class, for lawns up to 5400 scout. Made in Europe, gray. Highly intelligent robotic lawn mower. Gurden SILENO Minimo automatically mows yards up to 5400 scout using patented street-free technology. With easy connectivity via Bluetooth, easy app control, auto schedule, and easy config. Precise, silent navigation. Relax in your backyard while SILENO Minimo traverses narrow spaces and tight corners while cutting your grass with one of the quietest in class noise levels of 57 dB. Safe and reliable. The boundary wire ensures the robotic lawn mower only mows the areas specified, while collision sensors ensures the mower operates safely with no accidents or damage to your garden. Number 2. Mower's Landroid M20V PowerShare Robotic Lawn Mower 1/4 acres/10,890 sq. At PowerShare, WR140 battery and charger included. FULE The Landroid M cuts lawns up to 1/4 acre all by itself. Just set the charging base, lay down the boundary wire, measure your lawn with the app, and let it mow. Wi-Fi and app controlled. There are many things you can do from the Landroid app. Measure your lawn, check mowing progress, keep software up to date, update your mowing schedule, and more. Same battery, XP and DABL power. The same battery powers over 75 plus 20V, 40V, and 80V lifestyle, garden and power tools in the PowerShare family. Neva JTE's narrow PATAs, patented AIA technology, allows Landroid to navigate narrow passageways too difficult for ordinary robotic mowers. Customized mowing SCHULES. Have Landroid mow every day, every other day. It can even recommend an auto schedule based on your yard size and conditions. Number 1. Husqvarna Automower 115A Robotic Lawn Mower Bluetooth. Husqvarna Automower 115A Robotic Lawn Mower uses smart technology from the world leader in robotic mowing, so you can have a beautifully cut lawn 24/7 at the touch of a button. Easy control from smartphone. Husqvarna's smart technology lets you control scheduling, adjust settings, and start and stop your automatic lawn mower from your smartphone. DIY installation. Set up your Husqvarna robot mower with this self-installation kit included. Place the charging station, vary or lay the boundary wire around the perimeter of your yard, install the guide wire, choose your settings, and start mowing. Theft protection. To reduce the risk of theft, the automatic mower is equipped with a built-in alarm system that will sound if it is lifted and is only deactivated with your unique PIN code.